Hello everybody, welcome back to another update video of the Axie Infinity coin, my friends. AXS token will make you millionaire. And my friends, in this video I'm talking about the 2030 price of the AXS token. Very interesting question of all holders, that what will be the price of AXS in 2030. Let me show you, but before starting this video, I request everybody to please click the subscribe button for more news and updates videos. I hope you all subscribe my channel. So let me show you the 2030 price of the AXS token. My friends, the current price of the AXS in the market, Axie Infinity, $39.24 USD. $39.24 is the currently live price of the AXS. And furthermore, my friends, if we talk about the last 24 hours changes of the AXS in the market, so negative 7.36%, the price decrease in the last 24 hours. The price decrease in the last 24 hours. And furthermore, my friends, if we talk about the highest price of the AXS, so $42.75 USD is the highest price of the AXS in the market. My friends, that's mean that they are also hit at $42 USD, my friends. My friends, AXS is a good coin, and especially in the nowadays, AXS Hero token and one more AMP token, SLP token, and Saitama Inu. These are now trending coin in the market. You can see, my friends, absolutely a massive jump occurred by Axie Infinity. Massive jump. That's really a huge pump of the cryptocurrencies market. Now, my friends, if this kind of pump continue in AXS, so possibilities, my friends, possibilities that AXS price will be in the last of 2030. The price will be approximately 100 or 120 USD will be the price of AXS coin in 2030. 100 to 120 USD the price of AXS in 2030. Anyways, what you think about AXS, also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.